How do I choose the right tires for my car? If you are a teenager who just got your driver's license, you might be wondering how to choose the right tires for your car. This decision is important for your safety and can help you avoid roadside emergencies. Let's break it down step by step to make it easy for you. First, you need to know your tire size. You can find this information on the sidewall of your current tires or in your car's owner manual. The size includes the width, aspect ratio, wheel diameter, load index, and speed rating. Matching these specifications ensures the tires fit your car properly. Next, think about where you drive most often. If you mainly drive in the city or on highways, all-season tires are a good choice. They handle different weather conditions well. If you live in a place with snowy winters, winter tires are essential for better grip. For those who enjoy sporty driving, performance tires offer better handling but may wear out faster. If you go off-road, all-terrain tires provide the durability and traction you need. Now let's talk about tread depth. Tread is the pattern on the tire that grips the road. New tires typically have 8 to 10 millimeters of tread. When the tread wears down to about 2 to 3 millimeters, it's time to replace the tires. Worn tread reduces traction and increases the risk of hydroplaning on wet roads. Your driving style is also important. If you prefer a quiet ride, look for tires designed to minimize road noise. If you enjoy sharp handling, performance tires with higher speed ratings might be better for you. Load capacity and speed rating are safety features you should not overlook. The load index tells you how much weight the tire can carry safely. This should match or exceed your vehicle's requirements. The speed rating indicates the maximum speed the tire can handle safely. Using tires with incorrect ratings can be unsafe. Regular tire maintenance is key for roadside preparedness. Inspect your tires for proper inflation, tread wear, and any damage. Properly maintained tires reduce the chance of blowouts or accidents, helping you stay safe on the road. To sum it up, here are some tips for choosing the right tires as a teen driver. Know your tire size and specifications from your car's manual or current tires. Match the tire type to your usual driving conditions and weather. Check tread depth and replace tires before they become unsafe. Consider your driving style for comfort or handling preferences. Ensure load capacity and speed rating meet your vehicle's needs. Maintain your tires regularly for safety and roadside preparedness. By following these steps, you can choose the right tires for your car, keeping you safe and ready for any situation on the road.